Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 14.2 question number 2. Give the order of rotational symmetry for each figure. Let us find one figure, that is figure number A. If we take figure number A, this is like this. This is the cross. This is in this way and this is in this way. Right? This is the original figure. We take point P. Right? You take this point as P, or if we take this point M, right? If we rotate this one, right? If we rotate this one, it will come to this point. It will look like this. Again, when this P comes here, right? And this is the arrow, right? Right? This is the first position. If we again rotate this one, that will come again like this. The P point will come here. That means in two positions we'll get the same figure as this in two positions. Therefore, the order of symmetry for this figure is 2. The order of symmetry for this figure is 2. Is right here? The order of this figure is 2. Right? Now the second figure you see here, you see like this. That question number B. Question number B is like this. This one and this one. This one is 80 degree. 80 degree. Right? If we take this arrow and take a point P here, right? We have taken a point P here. Now, right? Now, if we move this point P, it will look like this. It will look like this, and P will come here. This is 80 degree, right? Again, we move this one. Again, if we move this one, again we move this one, then this will come here. This is 80 degree, right? It doesn't show like this, right? And the P will come at this point, right? We again move this one, then this will come at this position, and right, again move, then it will come to in this position. P will come here. That is, again if we move this one, it will come at this position. Again if we are moving this one, it will come like this. This is 80 degree. Now you see, this is the position. This is 80 degree. That means the opposite angles are equal. Therefore, this is also 80 degree, right? This is also 80 degree. Now, if we move this one, this P will come here, and this is 80 degree, and this is also 80 degree, right? If we again move, this P will come here. This is 80 degree, and this is also 80 degree. That this figure matches with this figure. That is, this is position 1. If we again move, this P will come here, right? Again move, this P will come here, and this is 80 degree. And this figure doesn't matches with original figure. If we again move this one, again move this one, again move this one, this P will come here, and at the end, this P will come again here. and you see this is 80 degree and this is also 80 degree. That means two positions the figure is exactly same. Therefore the rotational symmetry for this figure is 2. Right? Now we solve question number C. Question number C you see here is question number C. Now question number C is there is a triangle. Let us take a triangle here. Let us take a triangle. Let us take a triangle. Here we have taken the triangle. Right? Let us take this point. The point is, suppose this point is, this is cross. This point is P, and you've taken an arrow here. Right? If you move, right? If you turn this point, the P will come here, and the arrow is here. Right? In this position, the triangle is looks like the same as this. Right? And if you again turn, this P will come here. Right? And this is the second position, and it looks like the same as the original triangle. You see this one. And if I again turn this one, the P will come here. Then we complete 360 degree, and this is position 3, and it looks like the same as the original triangle. This is figure 1, figure 2, and this is figure 3. This is figure 3. That means in all these cases we are getting that the rotational symmetry for this triangle is 3. The rotational symmetry for this is 3, right? We will solve question number D. Question number D is, here you see is, question number D is, question number D. Here now we draw question number D. Question number D is, now question number D. Now we'll draw question number D. Question number D is, question number D is like this. Let us draw a figure like this. That is the question number D. This is question number D. We're drawing the figure like this. You see, this is the figure, right? Here we have to make a point P here, right? If you rotate this one, this P will come here, and this is the arrow. That means it looks like the same as the original figure. Again, if we move, this P will come here. Again, this is position 1. This is position 2. Again, if we turn, this P will come here. And again, looks like the same. And if we again turn, this P will come here. Right? That it looks same. That means there are 4 positions in which the figure looks exactly the same. Therefore, the order of symmetry for this figure is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The order of symmetry for this figure is 4. Right? Now question number E. Now we solve question number E. Question number E is this one. Let us draw this one. Question number is this one. Like this. Let us make an arrow here. Let it be P. You see this one. We have made a point P here, right? And this is the arrow. This is the arrow, right? This P will come here if we rotate, and it will look same as this figure, right? This is figure 1. If I again rotate, and this P will come here. This is the arrow, right? And this is the second figure, and it is looks same as the original figure like this. Again, if we rotate, this P will come here. This is the figure 3, which looks same as the original figure. If we rotate again, this P will come here. This is the arrow, the original one. This is figure 4. In this figure 4 positions 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks like the same as the original figure, right? Therefore, you can say that the order of symmetry for this figure is 1, 2, 3, 4. The order of symmetry is 4 for question number E. Now we solve question number F. In question number F, you see here question number F. Let us draw question number F. Question number F is, you see here, question number F is like this. Let us draw this figure. Or this is a pentagon. Let us take a pentagon here. Let us take a pentagon. Right? Let us take a pentagon. Here we have taken a pentagon. Let us take a pentagon like this. Right? Let us take let's again take this pentagon. This is a pentagon. This is one pentagon. Let us, we have taken a pentagon. Now if you see here that this is, suppose we have taken a point arrow, this point I have taken P, the point, right? If we rotate this one, this P point will come here, right? And this is the arrow, right? This point P will come here. This is position 1 and it looks like same as the original figure, this one. Again if we turn, then this P will come here. This is the second position and it looks like the same as the original figure. And again if we turn, this P point P will come here. This is the third position. Again if we turn, this P will come here. This is the fourth position. And again if we turn, this P will come here. That's the original position. 5. That means you see in 5 positions the figure is same if we turn this one, right? If we turn this one, this P will come here. So if we second turn, this P will come here. In third turn, this P will come here. In fourth turn, this P will come here. And fifth turn, this P will come here. And you see in this 5 position, all the figures look like the same as the original figure, right? So we can say the order of symmetry for this figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The order of symmetry for this figure is 5. Right? We will solve question number G. Question number G here you see is, let us draw a star. Right? Now question number G. Question number G is a star. Suppose this is the position of the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is a star. Right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Let's see this figure, right? This is point P, right? This is point P. Now, if we turn this one, this P point P will come here. This is position 1. It looks like the same as the original star. If we again turn, this P will come here, right? This is the second position. It looks like the same as the original star, right? And again, if we move, then this P will come here. This is the third position, right? And if we move again, this P will come here. This is the fourth position of the star. If we again turn, this position P will come here, right? And again turn, this P will come here. This is 4, 5, 6, right? In all these 6 positions, you see the star, it looks like the same as this figure, right? This is that means again we come to the original position, that we rotate from here to here 180 degree, right? That means how many order of symmetry? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the order of symmetry for this star is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The order of symmetry for this figure G is 6. Now we solve question number H, right? Now question number H, you see here is question number H. Let us draw question number H. Question number H is like this. Let us draw a rough figure like this. This is a rough figure. That question number H. Question number H you can see here. That is, now you see this is the question number 5, this one, right? Suppose this is arrow, this is point P, right? This is point P, this is point P, this is the arrow. If we move this one, that is at the first position, this P will come here, right? This is position 1. If we again turn, this P will come here. This is position 2. And if we again turn, this P will come here. That is position 3. That means in this figure, the order of symmetry for this figure is 3. Right? The order of symmetry for this figure is 3. Again you see, this is the first position. So this is the arrow. If we turn, this P will come here. This is same as that. Again you turn, this P will come here. Right? Again you turn, this P will come here. That is the order of symmetry for this figure is 3. Therefore, we again write the various order of symmetry of the following figures. That is, in the first one, you see we got that the order of symmetry for this figure, order of symmetry for this figure is 2, right? The order of symmetry for this figure